Hi, so today I'm going to be reviewing the AmoVee 2-in-1 hair straightener and hair curler. So let's get started. You get the manual that you can use to understand how to use it. And then this is what it looks like. This is a 2-in-1. It acts as a curler right there. And it also acts as a flat iron once you switch it. So you can switch it from curl to straighten. A little bit of a holding for about 3 seconds, it turns on, and then you can change the setting to increase it or decrease it like that. First, gonna test out the straightening part of it. And you can see how well it straightens. It's very, very straight. And I'm just gonna curl the hair, and I like that this area stays cool, very cool, so you don't have to worry about it burning your hair or whatsoever. So you see how well it curls. Okay, give it more of a curl. I can see it curls it very, very quickly. Very lovely, and it gives the hair a nice shine to it. I absolutely love this, and I feel that this is such an economical savvy tool that you can use, and it will be great for traveling. You don't have to carry your straightener separate and your curler separate. So I absolutely love this.